Hello all. This program is about a set of numbers which are given, and in that numbers, I have to filter out the odd numbers and then I have to arrange it in an ascending order. So this is the objective of the program. So in a sequence of given numbers, I have to remove the odd numbers. So how I have to remove the odd numbers and what will be the remaining and how I have to sort it or make it in an order. So this is what we are going to see in this program. So as because it is going to be a set of numbers, I am using this arrays as list. The list, and here I'm using integer as because we are going to use only the values. So I'm using integer and the data is the object name arrays dot as list. And then it is imported here. So I have given some set of numbers here and this has to be filtered first as odd numbers and even numbers separately. So for that, as because it is in the list, I have to use collectors. So I'm using collectors to filter out. So filter the even numbers and odd numbers. So why I am filtering? I need to filter, the objective is to filter only the odd numbers. Why I have to filter out the even numbers also? Because I have to arrange the remaining numbers only in the order. Now I'm not going to arrange the odd numbers in order, but after removing the odd numbers, what is present there, that is the even number. And those numbers only need to be made in order, ascending order. So that is why I'm filtering the even numbers also. So now here, I'm using odd value to filter. So here I'm using the same list integer. The odd, I'm giving a name as odd data.stream. So stream is, it starts from the beginning and then filter. What it is going to filter is it works like a if condition. So n will be storing n modulo 2. That is n divided by 2. The remainder should be 0 actually if it is going to be even number. And if it is not equal to 0, then that is going to be an odd number. So now n divided by 2 is not equal to 0. That is, the remainder is not 0. Then that value will be stored here. So that is said to be the odd number. So here the n will be having odd numbers and that number has to be collected. So here we are using collectors for it. So when we use collectors, it will be asking to import the collections and collectors. So here we have to import the values. So after giving collectors to list, collectors to list, because we have using to list. So and then I'm using even numbers also to be filtered. So for that n divided by 2, the remainder must be 0. And again I'm using collect to list. And then, so here I need to display the odd numbers, whether it has taken correctly or not, that I want to see. So therefore, I'm taking odd numbers to be visible and even numbers to be visible. Then I'm making it or sorting it in the order, in ascending order. So collections dot sort even. I'm using even here because only the remaining numbers I have to sort. So after giving the sort, the even numbers will be sorted and that will be displayed here again in even. So this will be before sorting and after sorting. So let us check this output as. So the odd numbers here, you can see that manually when we check, it is 11, 75, 87, 65. So these are the 4 odd numbers. And after removing those odd numbers, 25, 24, 88, 98, 90, 54. So these are the numbers which are remaining there as even numbers, and that is before sorting. And after sorting, we can see that it is in ascending order. That is from the lower value to the higher value. Okay, so that's all about the session. Thank you.